What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today we are out here at Nature's Outdoor and Taxidermy. I dropped my bow off a few days to have Mike and Sean from the shop here tune it up for me. So what do you say we go in? They gave me a call that it's ready. So let's go in, check this out, and I might be in the market for something new. So let's go. I found Mike. Mike is currently waiting on some customers here, and we're gonna let Mike finish up with the customers, and then we're gonna get my bow and get it tuned out. But what do you say we walk around the store and see what they all have to offer here?
This must be like the next step up.
You never know, you might find something here that you like. Well, everyone, while walking around here, I have found something that I have been interested in for quite some time. So here is a lineup of crossbows that they have. They have 10-point, they have Wicked Ridge, they also have Carbon Express. But I'm going to check with Mike and maybe shoot a couple of these here crossbows and, you know, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button to the channel. So maybe I just might be getting one. Who knows? But you'll have to hit that subscribe button and follow the channel to find out. But I'll be right back after I give some of these bows a test shoot. All right, everyone, I picked out 3 crossbows. And I happened to pick out the Wicked Ridge Invader, as you see right here. And then I picked out the M370, which is the center one. And then I picked out the 10-point Titan M1. I would like to thank Mike and Sean for giving me the opportunity to test these bows. So, like I said, you have to subscribe to the channel to see which one I did go with. And there's the lineup. And the price ranges from about $450, $500, all the way up to approximately about $900. Like I said, again, thank you, Mike and Sean, for giving me that opportunity. I'm going to check out here. Mike's got everything ready for me. But like I said before, if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell. Well, till next time, I'm Joe. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how I roll with Nature's Outdoor and Taxidermy and Wicked Fabz.